Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick but super important tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to allow Canva to access your microphone and camera, step by step. Whether you're trying to record a presentation, voiceover, or video message inside Canva, this guide will help you fix any permission issues in just a few clicks. So, stay with me till the end to make sure everything works perfectly. First, open Canva in your browser and load the design you want to record or present. Once you're inside your design, look to the top right corner of the screen and click the Share button. From the drop-down menu, choose Present and Record. This is where Canva allows you to create voiceovers or video presentations directly. Now, click on Go to Recording Studio. This will take you to Canva's recording interface, where you can set up your camera and microphone before you start. As soon as you re-enter the recording studio, you'll see a permission prompt pop up on your screen. This is your browser asking if Canva can use your microphone and camera. If you're using Google Chrome, a small pop-up will appear near the address bar that says Canva wants to use your camera and microphone. Simply click Allow. If you accidentally clicked Block before, don't worry. I'll show you how to fix that next. On shared or work computers, you might need to double check your browser settings. Go to Settings greater than Privacy and Security greater than Site Settings. Then find canva.com under Permissions and make sure both microphone and camera are set to Allow. This ensures Canva can use your devices every time you record. Once permission is granted, Canva will show a live preview of your camera feed and a microphone level bar. Take a moment to test your audio, speak normally, and check that the bar moves. If everything looks and sounds good, you're ready to start recording your presentation or voiceover directly in Canva. And that's it. You've successfully allowed Canva to access your microphone and camera. Now you can record smooth, professional videos right inside Canva without switching apps. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below telling me what kind of Canva tutorial you want next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.